All right, guys, we're going to look at knee stability. So Parker's going to show us what poor knee stability is going to look like. You're just going to use a chair. We're going to single leg squat onto the chair. So notice this knee coming in towards the center of his body. That's what we don't want. That's poor knee stability. So now show us some good knee stability. Knee staying over the foot. We're staying really solid throughout the knee. So let's say you suffer from this poor knee stability where the knee's coming in towards the center of the body. You're going to take a band. You can either loop it to something or you can have somebody pulling on this band. But basically he's going to put it under his knee and we're going to feed that dysfunction. So dysfunctionally, his knee's coming in. We're going to take the band and I'm going to feed it in. Now his goal is to keep his knee centered over his foot, not letting this band pull him in. This is going to develop any imbalances he has in his knee, any motor control problems he has going on. It will help with knee stability.